My paper is about the effect of polystyrene micro and nanoplastics on endocrine disruption during pregnancy. So we tested the different effects of polystyrene micro and nanoplastics on the estrogen and androgen receptor, and we also checked if the hormone formation was disrupted by these exposures. And we found out that there was no activation of the estrogen or androgen receptor, so that means it cannot activate or block this receptor and cannot interact with that pathway. Or it can also not affect the hormone formation after the exposure. In the AURORA project, pregnancy plays of course a big role, and during pregnancy it's really important to have a good hormone formation. So if the hormone formation is disrupted, it could lead to miscarriage or also pregnancy disorders such as preeclampsia. So we need to avoid this in all cases, and therefore it's good to know if these micro and nanoplastic could have these kind of effects. So for now we only tested the polystyrene micro and nanoplastics. So therefore we want to test also other plastics to see what the effect is of that. And we also did it now in quite easy models. So we want hard models, like more advanced. So therefore we want to check what the effect is on these particles on the more advanced models to really have a good idea of what's really happening inside the human body. I cannot say with 100% sure they are safe, because our study was based on 2 different cell lines and plastics were not taken up by these cell lines. So that's a limitation of our study. And we found already plastics in the placenta, so it could be that the plastics are interacting with these receptors. So no, I cannot say for 100% sure it's safe. So the next steps to see if these particles are endocrine disruptors or not could be testing different cell lines. So you can test more different placental cell lines, but also fetal cell lines. And you could also test some more advanced models. So that would be also interesting, to adding different cell layers together and test to see if there are different endocrine disruption after exposures to different compounds.